Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Course, what do you need help with?
I am a teacher.
That's amazing. What subject do you teach?
Are you coming late today?
No, I'll be on time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. Can you repeat that?
Sure. Here is again.
I don't understand.
No problem.
Let me explain it differently.
What time is it?
5:30 p.m.
How much is this?
$15. Do you want to buy it?
See you later.
See you soon. Take care.
I like this song.
Me too. It's really catchy.
Please give me some water.
Here you go. Stay hydrated.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your day.
I am very tired.
You should rest. Take care.
Let's go to the park.
That sounds fun. Let's go.
Sorry I am late.
No worries. Glad you're here.
That looks amazing.
I know, right? It's stunning.
I need some help.
Sure. What can I do for you?
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, perfect weather to enjoy.
I love ice cream.
Me too. What's your favorite flavor?
Can you show me the way?
Of course. Follow me.
Where's the bathroom?
It's right over there.
I wake up early.
That's great. It helps start the day well.
This is my book.
Looks interesting. What's it about?
I am feeling cold.
You should wear something warm.
You are very kind.
Thank you. That means a lot.
This food is delicious.
Yes, I love it too.
I have a big family.
That's wonderful. How many members?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here it is.
It's too expensive.
Maybe we can find a cheaper option.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. What about you?
I love this place.
Same here. So nice.
Please wait a moment.
Sure. Take your time.
That sounds good.
Great. Let's do it.
What are you doing?
Just relaxing. How about you?
I need a taxi.
Let me help you book one.
It's raining outside.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Let's go shopping.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Where's the nearest shop?
It's just around the corner.
I am very happy today.
That's awesome. What's the good news?
This bag is heavy.
Let me help you carry it.
I want to learn English.
That's great. Keep practicing daily.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea. What should we watch?
I forgot my phone.
Oh no. Do you need to call someone?
I will call you later.
All right. Talk to you soon.
That's a great idea.
I think so too. Let's do it.
I am really hungry.
Let's grab something to eat.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure. I'll slow down.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Get well soon.
My phone battery is low.
You should charge it soon.
I have a question.
Sure. What do you want to ask?